Hello everyone, my name is DJ and I'm back here with one more tutorial from this playlist where we convert codes from shader toy to SparkSL from sparkar. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get this effect using this code here from shader toy. Okay, as always, I'm going to leave the link here in the description so you can come here and comment, give your opinion about this effect. You can thank the author of this effect here. Okay. And before we start, don't forget to give a like in the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so to start, as always, I want to know how this UV looks like. So he called it P. So let's get the P.xy and 0 in the blue channel. And as always, the Y coordinates are upside down compared to sparkar. And there's a shift from the position 0, 0. Let me comment this. And let's copy everything. Let's create a new project. Okay. Let's create a new effect. Let's create that rectangle so we can test our shader. Create a material, shader type flat. Let's import it here to the patch editor and let's create our shader. As always, double click to edit. Let's replace this code by the one from shader toy. And the first thing is to add the using namespace std at the beginning of our code. Using namespace std. They have some constants here. This global variable is a constant, so maybe I don't think we're gonna have a problem with this. Let's go to the main function. Oh, let's search for the itime function. Oh, it's here. Let's replace it by getTime function. Okay. And what else? The eye resolution. Yeah, he defined the resolution here as the eye resolution. So let's put it, so let's add here instead the get render target size function. Let's delete this input that we don't use. And let's get our UV. Okay, here it called it Q. So back to Q, it's gonna be equals fragment get vertex text coordinates. Don't forget the same column here. Let's delete this first line. And let's just take a look at how our UVs look like here on sparkar. Let me drag this here. Oops, it didn't update. Let me save it. Okay. There is some errors. Okay, there are some const variable receiving a value here. Let's check. G-call. Let's search for it. G-call. Okay, it's here. We can remove this const from this variable here. And what's the next one? It's fade from. You can remove this here. And what's the next one? Fade dist. This one. Okay, let's save it again. Ctrl S. Okay, we need to save it again here. And now the compilation finished successfully. Let's drag it here and connect. Okay, so yeah, so we need to invert the y coordinates here. So we need to add the following line to our code. Let's get the p dot y and multiply it by -1, 1.0. Let's see. Save. Okay, it is inverted. Okay, so I think we're fine. Let's comment this line, save it again. I don't know why it's not updating, so I always have to move something here and save the file again to update it. Okay. And now we have our shader working. It's a very cool shader. It's a very nice background as well for our filter. It's really awesome. We can play here with the materials as always, change the blend mode. Okay guys, we finished one more tutorial. Okay, so if you'd like me to keep doing this kind of tutorial, converting a shader toy to SparkSL, please give a like, comment in the video, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.